Squarespace just launched WebP finally. Now, the great thing about this is it's just being rolled out across every image on your website. Now, what this means is you don't have to go and manually change all of your images to WebP. What Squarespace is now going to do is it's going to get every single image on your site and it's going to serve that to visitors who are coming onto the site. Now, there's a few notes on this. First off, if you want to opt out of this, I know some people will definitely want to opt out of this for whatever reason they have, and you can do that, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. Also, if a visitor is coming onto the site and their browser doesn't support WebP, they're going to be served the original file. So Squarespace is preserving all the original files. They're not actively converting everything in your assets. So all your PNGs aren't going to magically turn into WebP images. You will still have all of those within your asset library. So don't worry about that. Nothing's going away. It's just the way that Squarespace serves the images to visitors whose browsers have that capability. So it's great. It's going to speed up sites, should improve SEO, and it should improve the visitor experience on basically all Squarespace websites now. So it's really, really good news. But there's always people who don't want the feature, and luckily Squarespace usually they'll give you some form of out. So I'll show you how to do that now really quickly. On our site here, Squarespace has actually created a new tab. So if I go into settings and then I scroll all the way down under website here to image settings, you can see I can toggle that off now. So Squarespace is going to tell you WebP format improves loading times without sacrificing image quality, blah, blah, blah. And they will recommend you keep it on, as would I, because this is a really big leap for Squarespace. I mean, let's be realistic. They should have done it years ago, but they've done it now. So, I'm not going to complain. But if you want to opt out, just untoggle, save, and your images will be served in their original format. So hopefully you found that useful. Hopefully you're as excited as me. If you did find it useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.